Broccoli going to bolt. Bolting can happen for any herb or vegetable, and what it means is that the plant is signaling to going into flower. And so typically this should be a much larger broccoli head, but it is getting kind of spread out in its clusters, and you can see the individual flowers starting to form. This happens when it gets too hot. Here is a smaller head of broccoli that is much smaller and tighter and is not too leggy compared to the other one and should grow to its full size. All of these yellow flowers and seed pods are from my bok choy that bolted, and I let it bolt because once it gets to this point, there's really no saving it or trying to hold it back. But pollinators love brassica flowers, and so if you have the space and you don't have anything else that you need to plant there, go ahead and let them bloom. You can also save the seeds this way. But how do you prevent bolting? A shade cloth. This is not a fancy setup. This is just enough shade to lower the temperature by 5 to 10 degrees, which will help prevent the broccoli and cauliflower in this bed from bolting. So the one broccoli right there was our sign with the head spreading that we needed to do something different. And it's a good time that we did it because all of these other heads are starting to form. And hopefully this will preserve our broccoli and cauliflower so we get nice, full, and compact heads.